Poetry in motion. Go! Go! Here you go. Back up, Steve. Move, go! Stop, man. Stop. Laterally. Yeah, get your nose on the shoulder pad. There you go. Move, go! Move, go! Good job, man. Here you go, Sione. You got another minute. Hey, we're going to stay on this for a minute. We're going to let Frosty in a couple. Move, go! And we'll let our him go. There it is. Lay it. Good. Same group. Again. Again. Same group. Good. Jog it up. Hey, real quick. Now don't run your fender off your inside foot. Whoa, no. Why are we doing it? What did you see? He's a safety. He's on the hat. He's a safety.
Yeah, I gotta.
Yeah, but why did you expand?
Oh, I'm still.
On inside leverage.
I'm not still run like that.
No, that's exactly why we're doing this. Because, hey, if you know that you're pushing vertical to run a bender, and I'm inside leverage, do you need to expand to protect the hay? You're protecting the hay from me. I'm inside. You're already protecting it by vertical stem. The only thing you're doing by expanding is making it harder to get into the first window of the bender. Make sense? Yeah. Vertical. Hammer. There. Good. Don't roll your bender up your inside foot. Here we go. Flip side. Go! I got the tag. Here we go. Move, go! Good. Wow, hey, now, stop separating. Find it. Pull them in. It's on the go call from the center after the clap. After the clap. Here we go.
We got 1 minute.
Center cadence. Red eye. We got lots of time. Let's get more reps. Move, go! Move, go! Good. Bring him. Keep that back tight. Pull him in. Last one. Here we go. QB cadence. Go!
There it is. Hey. Does everybody feel that motion? Yeah. Now, when we face teams like USC who are freaking penetrators, can you play it like that? No. So every week's a little bit different because how they play defense is at the line of scrimmage. So we don't want to use that against them, against us disappear, and this dude freaking be there. It's too hard. So that's perfect.
Go!
There you go. Ben. Remember, I don't need to look at that though. I can feel it. I can feel it. Your hand is your eye.
Go!
There you go. Peace.